One comedy show is breaking records right now, pulling in millions of views every single week. But this man says he would never appear on it. Not now, not ever, even if he was personally invited. Here's why. Abhijit Dipke is the founder of the Cockroach Janta Party, a satirical political movement he launched in May 2026. The name came from a controversial remark by India's Chief Justice, who compared unemployed youth and activists to cockroaches. Dipke turned that insult into a movement, and now he's back in headlines for a very different reason. Speaking on the podcast Unfiltered by Samdish, Dipke was asked a simple question: would he ever go on India's Got Latent? His answer was direct. He stated, "I will not go to India's Got Latent. I don't like it." He went on to explain his reasoning, arguing that the show's whole approach is about avoiding real conflict and taking the easy way out. Something he says is only possible if you're privileged enough to do it.
लेटेंट से कॉल नहीं आया भाई? लेटेंट से तेरे को कॉल आ जाए मजा नहीं आ जाएगा?
इंडियाज गॉट लेटेंट
हाँ।
मैं नहीं जाऊंगा यार।
क्यों?
मुझे पसंद नहीं है।
अब मेरी रिस्पेक्ट और बढ़ गई।
मुझे पसंद
अब
नहीं है।
मेरी रिस्पेक्ट और क्यों?
वो जो है ना,
हाँ।
क्यों लड़े यार हम? निकल जाते इजी रास्ते से।
सही है
यार तुम निकल जाओगे because you are privileged.
That comment didn't sit well with everyone. Within hours, social media users turned the criticism back on Dipke himself, pointing out that he holds a master's degree from Boston University in the United States. Many asked how someone with an international education could call anyone else privileged. Meanwhile, India's Got Latent Season 2 has been unaffected by the controversy and has already crossed 45 million views on YouTube while topping Netflix's charts for over a week. As for Samay Raina, neither he nor his team has responded to Dipke's comments so far. So is this a fair critique or a case of pot calling the kettle black? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more entertainment updates.